Welcome to our YouTube channel, ProjectSkillHub, where today we're diving into the essentials of project management. If you're new to this field, this guide is crafted just for you. Project management is an organized approach to planning and guiding project processes from start to finish. The core idea is to ensure that a project meets its goals and is completed on time and within budget. So let's explore some fundamental concepts that every beginner should know. First, let's break down the key stages of project management. These are initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closure. During initiation, you define the project at a broad level. The planning phase is where you establish the roadmap, setting timelines and budgets. This stage demands a detailed blueprint that guides the subsequent phases. Once planning is complete, it's time for execution. This is where your plan is put into action. Your team will work to complete the tasks and produce the project's deliverables. Effective communication and coordination are paramount here to keep things on track. Parallel to execution, we have monitoring and controlling. This stage is critical as it involves tracking progress and performance, ensuring the project stays aligned with the plan. It may require making necessary adjustments to resolve issues and risks as they arise. Finally, the closure phase wraps everything up, marking project completion. It's a time for reflection and evaluation, understanding what went well and what could be improved for future endeavors. Documenting these insights is a valuable practice for continuous improvement. Understanding the project management triangle, scope, time, and cost is essential as it illustrates the constraints that project managers face. Changing one element inevitably affects the others. Balancing these constraints requires strategic thinking and adaptability. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to project management. Remember, mastery takes time and experience, but with these basics, you're equipped to embark on your project management journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.